I don't know why it's hard to get a purple cloth in boy clothes. I don't know whether this will be fine. This is the only thing they have in purple in boy clothes. Look at that. They don't have nothing else. I can't believe they don't have a purple shirt on a boy. So ridiculous. Hi. Come on now. Why are you looking at the back? How you doing? See your pants. What happened to it? Huh? Look at a lot of ducklings. So many ducklings. So Daniel, look at the only purple I saw at the store. No, they don't have any purple clothes. And this look like a jersey or something, right? Look like a jersey.
Is there any pants?
Huh?
Is there any pants?
Any pants? For a few days. I think you guys is wearing purple, right? Yeah, they don't have. But I will go and check in other stores if they have purple. You know, they don't have boy clothes in purple. It's hard to find. So I have to go and check in other stores. So if I get your size, I will return this one. This one looks small. Oh, that's so cute. Look at these ducklings. Not for them. Plenty ducklings. Alright, let's go and drop you at school. You know you get the most dropout. You know that? Drop out and pick up. You get the most. You're lucky, right? You know it's too sunny today. Let's go. Is this ladybug on my screen? Is it the ladybug? Look at it. That's ladybug. All right, we are here. So we wait a little bit. You still got a little bit of time. All right, Dane. Bye.
Bye.
Be careful. Bye. All right, shopping for the week. All right, let's go to the grocery store. Dress casual. Let's go. Nice weather. So nice. All right, this car is so hot. Super hot. Today is about 70 degrees, 70 something degrees. Let's go. Done. Let's go. Every time he want ice cream, Where is the ice cream?
Over there.
Over where? This is popsicle now. This is not ice cream. This is the one you want? Yeah, but you're disturbing me. I want ice cream. This is not ice cream. It's popsicle. Every time one need disturb my ice cream, I know it's ice cream in a lion window. I want ice cream. He finally got the ice cream, right? You happy now? So mommy can rest now. He like that one? Yeah. Yeah, better eat it. Yeah.
What about, okay, so what if
Is it what